How to use Tryg car insurance Sweden properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Tryg car insurance is one of Sweden's trusted providers, but many drivers make simple mistakes that cost money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to understand how to use it correctly. One of the biggest mistakes is relying solely on third-party liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car. Choosing comprehensive coverage ensures both your vehicle and finances are protected, especially if you drive often or own a newer car. Misunderstanding deductibles is another common pitfall. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket expenses after an accident but increases premiums, while a high deductible lowers premiums but may leave you paying more if a claim arises. Selecting the right balance is essential. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Life changes like moving, adding a new driver, or buying a new car can impact coverage. If Tryg isn't informed, claims could be delayed or denied. Many drivers also overlook available discounts. Tryg offers savings for safe driving, bundling policies, and maintaining an accident-free record. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds of kronor every year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow down your payout. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to ensure smooth handling. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Tryg car insurance Sweden. Ensure proper coverage, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use discounts, and understand the claims process. Following these steps keeps your insurance working effectively and gives you peace of mind every time you drive.